Alright, good day boys. This is my first video. Fishing with Tyler here. And down at the river, Brewing River. And pretty much just gonna fish for anything that bites, and yeah. So just setting up. Gotta wait for the bait to defrost. From this we got a little green silver looking blue purple jig head. And then we got this massive shark rod. Hopefully catch whatever will bite it. Yeah, anything big. Alright, so let's grab the bait. While it defrosts, I'm gonna chuck lures. While it defrosts. Fish cast. Pretty chill, halfway. It's a little bit windy. It's actually early in the morning. So what is it, 9 o'clock ish? It's about 9 o'clock. Oh, that looks good in the water. That's gonna be good. 8:50. Might go down to that sand. So. That looks good in the water. That's good colours. This river. I'm gonna try and cut the flathead, so I'm gonna keep it down low and just jig it slowly. Oh, it's not. To be honest. And the wind will go away soon anyway. Yeah, the wind will go away because the wind's gonna start coming in this way soon, so that will block us. Water's actually not too murky. I'll just let it sink down and then jig it like that and just. There you go, guys. We got the massive rod here. I'm gonna go down to the sand to cast this. Oh bloody hell! This is a tank. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, mate.
Have you seen the surf rods?
Oh, I don't know.
They're even bigger.
Freaking out. There we go, we got it off. That was horrible. Reel that in again. Have I already got this shit on? Okay, let's get this off. Bro, I just got here and I've casted this out. I've already got this stuff on there. There we go. Let's cast this out. Perfect, that should do. Oh, hit! Look at that, hits already. That's not hit, kid, that's hit. Come on. Come on. Oh, I think I lost it. I was definitely on. Oh, Tyler hits. Yeah, do you want me to get it? He might have cleaned you up in one shot, not gonna lie. Nah. He might have cleaned you up. Yeah, it feels like he's cleaned you up. Yeah, he cleaned you up. Alright, bet. It's a pretty heavy hit though, because your line was pretty loose.
Two 2,000 years later.
7. Oh, hit. See that? Look, ready? Watch it again. See how it's gone off already? So I've decided to switch to this bright green sparkly what do you call it? Anyway, put the name in the comment section of what it was. I forgot what it was. With the purple jig head, same purple jig head. Decided to switch it up, and I've just been casting out here. It's very still at the moment, which I've noticed is good. So I'm probably going to go in a sec.
An eternity later.
Are you coming in? Oh yeah, I forgot I was filming.
What?
I forgot I was filming.
That's just scared off all the fish.
No, it did not.
Oh shit, it's very slippery. Forgot about that.
I think it gets better as you go in, maybe. Oh, it's cold.
It's not that cold.
That's because I'm not used to it, bro. I need to get used to it. They're out here. They're out here.
That's a speaker.
Alright, fine. Let's just cast. What? What?
Oh shit.
Bro. I can skim a lure. Oh, look at that. It's big what? I'm gonna go out a bit deeper, maybe. Oh, it's so bad. Oh, look, there's something over there. Probably just a school of bait fish again. gonna pick me.
That guy's still there. He's gone. Like, he's fucked off. He's way over there.
Where?
And the guy that I was luring.
Oh yeah, him.
Sorry. Imagine if I just put my hand in the water and some monster, by the way, just came up and bit it.
Bit off. Bit it off.
Huh?
Bit it off. Yeah, look at that fly bird. He's not even moving.
He's hovering.
I know. He's moving in the exact same spot. Why is that so funny?
So, fuck's sake!
I can't get anywhere.
Country, take me.
Through the bush.
Oh, being cleaned off. I don't even notice it. Like, fuck.
I think it's a leather jacket.
Yeah.
Playing with us. They like to play, I guess.
Leather jackets don't bite that hard though.
Oh. Fucking get me. Yeah, it might have been a salmon then. So, it fought pretty hard.
Typically they don't bite that hard. You never know.
Up and down and round. He's probably just like thanking us for free food. So far, he's got. How much food has he got so far? He's pretty much been feeding all day. Yeah, it's not raining anymore. The camera's probably dead.